Y'all, I did not want to show up today. I was not feeling well. I have been having some crazy dreams where I am just astral projecting all the fuck over the place that I'm so tired when I wake up. I was just weird energetically today. My stomach was being weird. I don't know, it was just a weird day. It wasn't the vibe. So I woke up, I showered immediately, took a hot shower, did my skincare, sat in my robe, got mad work done without me having my makeup on or without me being dressed or being put together. It's freaking 19 degrees and so windy in the Adirondacks right now that we literally lost power last night for like half an hour. So it's cold and it was just so warm and I was loving up the spring vibes. But I'm saying all of this because I did not want to show up. I still do not feel amazing, but I showered, I ate a mad nutrient dense breakfast, and then I got dressed, I got ready, and I recorded all of my content like this with my hood up, comfy, and did minimal makeup, and I'm living my best life. And can I just tell you that I got to record day 30 of Reprogram Yourself because the challenge ends today, the free challenge. You got lifetime access if you paid for it. You're a smart cookie. Earlier, I was like, well, maybe I'll just record an audio because I'm just not feeling it. But I asked myself, what would future self, like what would Alexa, her most successful self, do? And that would be show the fuck up. She'd show up on camera, she'd record her content, she'd film her videos, she'd edit them, she'd post them, she would show up in bad bitch energy, and she'd be comfy. She would be comfy. And that's exactly what I did. And can I just tell you that day 30 was basically a channel message, and it was so fucking good, like so fucking good. No excuses, my dude. No excuses. If you start asking yourself more, how would my future self move in this moment, rather than continuing to move like the old version of you, honey, you would quantum leap so fucking quickly. So moral of this life lesson story here is give your human what it needs. Give yourself rest when you need it. Fuel your body. And then get comfy and be a badass bitch, because you were born to be a boss. You were born to have it all. You get to have it all, but it is going to require you showing up. And then caveat again is when you show up, you're going to slay. You're going to slay.